Welcome to Himachal Pradesh, a state in northern India where lush green valleys and snow-capped mountains are the backdrop for a thriving economy built on agriculture and horticulture. Here, almost 70% of the population relies on these sectors for their livelihood. With nearly 90% of the population living in rural areas, it is no surprise that the government has made strengthening agriculture and horticulture a top priority. The agriculture sector contributes significantly to the state's GDP, 14% of the total. Over 10 lakh farmers work on approximately 9.44 lakh hectares of land, ensuring that every farmer gets a fair price for their produce. The World Bank has played a crucial role in transforming the face of agriculture and horticulture in Himachal Pradesh. Through a joint effort with the state government, a visionary agricultural plan has been implemented. Productivity and profits in horticulture have increased manifold with a long-term investment project spanning 7 years. The state government, along with the World Bank, is working together to make the scheme successful. The Department of Horticulture, Himachal Pradesh State Agricultural Marketing Board, University of Horticulture and Forestry, and Himachal Pradesh Horticultural Produce Marketing and Processing Corporation are collaborating under the guidance of the Himachal Pradesh Horticulture Development Society. The World Bank has allocated Rs 1,066 crore for the horticulture development project in the state, with 80% of the funding coming from the World Bank and 20% from the Himachal Pradesh government. To ensure that gardeners and farmers benefit from the scheme, it has been divided into 4 components. The third component aims to improve information access to farmers, increase transparency in crop prices, and enhance infrastructure and services in traditional wholesale markets. Under this component, selected agricultural wholesale markets will be modernized to automate market processes and open them to distant buyers. Electronic auctions will bring transparency and speed to transactions. Additionally, training and technical assistance will be provided to officers. 3 new market yards have been established in different parts of the state as part of this project. Bandrol Market Yard in District Kullu, Shilaru Market Yard in District Shimla, and Mendali Market Yard in District Shimla. Apart from these new market yards, 6 existing ones, Palampur, Kangni, Paonta Sahib, Shat, Parmanu, and Parala, are being updated and upgraded. The main objective of the third component of the scheme is to resolve issues faced by farmers and traders in market yards and increase their capacity. Modern facilities such as shops, auction yards, parking facilities, rainwater harvesting systems, fire extinguishers, drinking water facilities, and toilets have been emphasized. Special attention has been given to street lights, solar panels, and modern technology for converting spoiled fruits and vegetables into organic manure in vegetable markets. This will create a pleasant experience for farmers. About Rs 99 crores have been spent on these projects. Furthermore, special attention has been paid to storage and maintenance of vegetables and fruits in a planned manner to reduce wastage and pave the way for economic development among farmers. The World Bank's efforts have also achieved considerable success. Today, farmers are getting a fair price for their agricultural produce near their homes. Farmers have also benefited from reduced expenses on transportation to sell their produce in vegetable markets outside the state. Training and technical assistance is being provided regularly to connect farmers with modern technology. The construction of new vegetable markets and expansion of old ones has opened up new avenues for economic growth among farmers. Compared to the past, there has been a significant increase in the arrival of agricultural produce at vegetable markets. Farmers are now cultivating more land and producing more vegetables and fruits due to modern facilities and better management in vegetable markets. Business has increased 2 times. Hence, we can proudly say that today, Himachal Pradesh is leading India in terms of agriculture and horticulture.